Hi, my name is Mary, and I will be using QuickTime Player to create a demonstration of how to use Apple's iCloud Calendar version 6.0 for my software application for business class. The first thing we need to do is add an attachment to an appointment. Every Monday morning I teach a cycling class, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up my cycling class for tomorrow morning, and I'm going to add my class plan to it. So to open up the event, you just go ahead and double click on it. You can see much information about it, such as the time, how often it occurs, if I have any alerts. Now I'm going to go ahead and edit it and add a document to it. Once I hit edit, of course, the window expanded, and right down here, it makes it easy for you. There's just a link that says add a file. I'm going to go ahead and double click on that, and up pops a window with all my different documents in there. I have a file folder called Cycling Classes. For tomorrow's class, I chose the one I created called 00.2i. I'm going to double click on that, and as you can see here, it attached immediately. I can go ahead and hit done. My document is attached now to that file. I close it out. If I open it back up, as you can see, there's the attachment right there. The next thing I need to do is schedule a recurring appointment. So I'm going to go ahead and create something new. In the Apple Calendar, there's a little plus button up at the top of the window. You go ahead and you click on that, and that right there is create quick event. So I'm going to go ahead and type in weekly staff meeting. We have a special project that we need to get done during the month of June. So we're going to have a meeting every Wednesday from 1 to 2 o'clock. So automatically it reverts to an all day. I want to change that, and by unclicking the box, then it pops up the from and the to. If I go ahead and hit the tab button after I unclicked it, then it's going to go through all the different boxes. We're going to go ahead, the location is just going to be right in the office. We're going to have this meeting on Wednesday. Go ahead and select that. It's going to be from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to repeat this every week. But then I'm going to go ahead but I'm going to put an end date, and it's going to go through the end of June, which is June 29. So I can go ahead, tab through it, hit the return. It's going to show as busy. It's going to be on, in this instance, my home calendar, because it's my home calendar, not my work. Remember, this is for purposes of demonstration. I do want to set up a reminder for everyone. And so what this calendar offers is they call it alerts in the Apple iCloud. So I go ahead and I click on that, and it gives me my choices. I can message with sound, I can email, or I can open the file. I want to go ahead and I want to set up a message with sound. And I'm going to go ahead and check what type I'd like them to hear. And I'm going to go ahead and let's test one out. A little blow noise. I think that's sufficient enough. And I'd like that reminder to pop up 15 minutes before our weekly meeting. If you wanted to set up another alert, you have that opportunity. We're just going to go with one of them for now. So now we've set up a recurring appointment, and we've set up a reminder for everybody. The last thing I need to do is I need to invite some people. The project is just between me and somebody else, and I'm going to go ahead here, and I clicked on the little box next to invitees, and I'm going to go ahead and type in my name. As you can see here, I'm already in the contacts, so it's going to go ahead and it's going to pick me up. If I wanted to go even further, I could check available meeting times and look at Mary's calendar, which is really sweet, to see if it's going to meet her availability or not. And then, of course, if I wanted to attach an agenda, I could go ahead and add the file too. But we're not going to do that right now. We're just going to go ahead and click the send button. So it added it to my calendar. It sent out an invitation to the other person that is involved in my meeting. I hope this is helpful to you if you happen to use Apple iCloud for your calendar. Thank you.